Hello, kindergarten. I hope you guys are having a good day. It's nice and sunny out today. Maybe you can get out for some fresh air in your backyard. Today, I would like to finish up what we've been doing with season words. And right now, we're in the season of spring, and we're seeing some nice sunny weather. But we're also still seeing a little bit of rain coming up this weekend, I think. In your packet that I sent home with your teachers, or with your parents, rather, we have a page that looks like this. It goes on the front and on the back. So I'd like to work on that page today. Maybe you can go and get your packet and be ready for that with a pencil. What we're doing on this page is we are talking about seasons and what we like in that season. What we like to do or what we like about the season. The phrase that we're using in Spanish is me gusta. Can you say that? And then after we say me gusta, we put in a season word. For example, on this first one, it says, me gusta el invierno. I like winter. So me gusta el invierno, and then we say because, and we're going to write the rest of the sentence in English. So I want you to think of a reason that you like winter. What do you like about it? I'm going to think of one too, and I'm going to write it here. I'm thinking out loud. Me gusta el invierno because it's fun to play in the snow. Now, your answer does not have to be like mine, but I'm just giving you an example, okay? So this is what mine looks like. You see that okay? I think so. I do that. There we go. You can have your parents help you with some spelling, or you can just try to sound it out the best you can and write it the way you know how to write it. So my first sentence says, me gusta el invierno because it's fun to play in the snow. I like winter because it's fun to play in the snow. Let's move on to our next season, which is the one we're in right now. Me gusta la primavera. Can you say that? Me gusta la primavera because I like spring because, why do I like spring? I'm going to put because there are lots of flowers. And you can choose your own reason of why you like spring. Now I left room for your name at the bottom of this page, but you don't have to put it there because this is already a packet that we have stapled together. And when you're finished writing about spring, you're going to you're going to flip the page over till you get to the other page that looks like this. Oops, that's upside down. And on this page, I'm going to say about summer, me gusta el verano because I like summer because I get to go swimming. Now again, you might have a different reason for liking summer. Maybe you like to go to the beach with your family. Maybe you just like it because we're not in school. We have a vacation. Maybe you go somewhere with your family for vacation. Whatever the reason is, write it down there about summer, el verano. And our last sentence says, me gusta el otoño because I like fall because my answer is because the leaves turn pretty colors. So after you finish writing all of those, then you can color those little pictures. You might notice that they are just small versions of the pictures we had in our weather and season packet that we've already completed. Now you can put that packet aside, and I want to share a story with you today because our next thing that we're working on is going to be shapes. And so the story I have is called Bear in a Square. Oso en un cuadrado. And this story is in both English and Spanish. And it names a lot of shapes in this story. Find the bear in the square. Busca el oso que está en el cuadrado. And I think you can see him right there. In fact, that's the cover picture too, pretty much. Right? He's in a square. Find the hearts in the queen's hair. Busca los corazones en el pelo de la reina. Pelo is hair. And by the way, this is, besides being a book about shapes, it's also a counting book. So we're finding 2 hearts in the queen's hair. Can you find them? Find the circles in the pool. Busca los círculos en la piscina. So first we had 1, that was uno. Now we have 2, that was dos. And this is number 3, which is tres. So we're looking for the círculos in the piscina, in the pool. So we have them in different ways, right? We have the círculos here. We have a ball and a life preserver. And then over here we have a círculo that's on Bear's swimsuit. It even tells us which things we're looking for over here. What comes after tres? Cuatro. 4. Find the rectangles in the school. Busca los rectángulos en la escuela. So we're looking for these things. And here's where the first picture is. And the next one. After 4, cuatro, comes 5, cinco. Find the moons in the cave. Busca las lunas en la cueva. Did you find all of those moons? Number 6. Find the triangles on the waves. Busca los triángulos sobre las olas. It's kind of a nice story to be looking for all those things. After number 6 comes siete. Find the diamonds on the crown. Busca los rombos en la corona. Now, we can also say diamantes. They've used the word rombo, which is diamond, but you can also say diamante. After siete, ocho. Find the zigzags around the clown. Busca los zigzags alrededor del payaso. So a zigzag is something that goes like this, right? Kind of like a lightning strike. Find the ovals in the park. Busca los óvalos en el parque. Oh, I'm pretty sure we know what an oval looks like. I always think of an egg when I think of an oval, an óvalo. That was number 9. And now we have, lastly, 10. Find the stars in the dark. Busca las estrellas en la oscuridad. So it looks like Bear is having a camp out because he's outside under the stars. Hopefully we were able to count all of those stars. And then they tell us about all the shapes. So we have a blue square, el cuadrado azul, the green circle, el círculo verde, the white moon, la luna blanca, red heart, el corazón rojo. Is that brown? Yep, a brown rectangle. El rectángulo marrón. Now we've also used the word café for brown. They use a different word. They use marrón. On this side we have a pink diamond, el rombo rosado. Let's go over here. Orange triangle is el triángulo anaranjado. The black zigzag, that kind of looks like what's on Charlie Brown's shirt. El zigzag negro. We have a yellow star, la estrella amarilla, and finally a purple oval, el óvalo morado. So that's just our very first part of our shapes. And the next time I see you through video, we're going to be working on our shape words. Have a great day.